Hi, I'm Fiona from Kids Club English, and today I want to show you how to make these really simple pencil cases, a little craft that can be really kind of nice to do, especially if you're doing a unit on school or school vocabulary. Of course, the kids could put their bits and pieces inside there, but I've got a few other things that I like to put inside. And I'm going to show you what they are, and I'm going to show you how to make this really simple. All right. Okay, so I hope you like that, and if you would like any of the bits and pieces, the playing cards or the fortune teller, what's the other thing, dominoes, like all these little things are in the school activity pack that's on kidsclubenglish.com. So I'll just put the link to that below. So thank you for watching.